record. Okay. So good morning. This is Zach from Sell House Columbus. We have one of our sellers here today. We have Karen, and we bought her property in Chesterfield. So first off, Karen, I'd like to go ahead and greet you a belated happy birthday. It was your birthday yesterday, right?
A day before.
Oh, a day before. All right, cool.
It was Tuesday.
All right,
But
cool,
thank
cool.
you.
Belated happy birthday. So first question, how did you find us? Tell us about your situation and why you sold the house.
My situation is I was diagnosed with small cell lung cancer in December and decided at that time that it was time for me to get out from underneath this large house that I live in for the last 25 years. And I received a postcard in the mail with a really nice picture of a family on there, and everything was really nice and kosher. And I thought, well, let me give them a call. And that's when I met Zach.
All right.
And he has walked me through the whole process, and it's been pretty awesome.
All right, great. So can you tell me a bit more about your experience with our company, and did we buy the property as is, all cash?
Yes, you have taken on my property as is. I've already actually received some of the payment, and I noticed that my mortgage has already been paid off and my personal line of credit. So I couldn't be happier there. And now I'm just working on trying to get out so I can get the rest of my money and go on with the rest of my life.
Excellent. All right. And what do you think sets us apart from our competition and from all the other home buying companies out there? I know there was quite a bit of a hiccup when we were going to go ahead and close. Can you tell me more about that?
The close part?
No, I believe we were under contract, but I think you went with another company. Can you tell me more about that?
That is true. We were under contract for a certain amount of money, and then after looking around, I realized that my house was worth a little more than what I was asking from talking to other buyers. And I had actually decided to go with someone else, but you were so persistent and
Thank you.
was able to come through with a price that I could live with. And I'm glad I went with your company. You guys have been awesome.
All right, thank you. I appreciate that, Karen. And last, what would you say to someone who'd like to sell their house fast for cash?
I would give them your name and number and your company information and tell them that to go with you, just because everything has been so smooth, and it's just been a pleasant experience.
All right, thank you. And I appreciate that, Karen, from the bottom of my heart. So
And
again,
not to mention,
oh, go ahead.
not to mention, you have been very persistent and you kept on top of things, and you sent me flowers.
All right, of
I
course.
was so sick.
Of course, anything for the deal, whatever it takes, right? As long as we can get things done.
Absolutely.
And I'm happy and I'm glad that you appreciated those flowers, right?
They were beautiful. They're the most beautiful yellow tulips I ever saw in my life.
All right, I'm glad that you like them. So again, this is Zach from Sell House Columbus. If you are someone who wants to sell your property for cash, find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com or call us at 614-300-5151. See you on the next video.
See you on the next video.